Students, today we are going to discuss about aluminium and its compound. In previous class, we completed the study of boron and its compound. Now second element of this chapter, this unit, P block element is aluminium. Aluminium is the most evident metal in whole world for their presence. Its minerals are available in nature. It is also extracted by their ores. Its main ore is nominated bauxite, but some other ores are most important, who belong their hydrated form and unhydrated form. Like as a corundum, it is an unhydrated form of oxide ore, and diaspore, bauxite, gibbsite are the hydrated ore of aluminium. So first we discussed about the ores of aluminium in which we extracted aluminium metal. Students, you know that this topic belongs unit extraction of element, their process and mechanism. Also simply we say that metallurgy. Because in this unit we studied how can we extracted metals by the steps of purification of metals, like as a grinding of ore, fourth rotation of ore, concentration of ore, different furnace, then their purification. So we discussed about this various topic in next class syllabus. Here we studied only the compound of aluminium and ore of aluminium. So the natural presence or occurrence are aluminium in given ore. Corundum, it is an unhydrated oxide ore of aluminium. Its formula is Al2O3. You know that oxide, sulfide, carbonates ore are available for the extraction of metals. But here only we studied their oxide ore. Now second one is diaspore. Its molecular formula is Al2O3 and H2O. Because here single molecule of water is available, so we say that it is a hydrated ore. Then third one is most important ore, named bauxite. It is the main ore of aluminium. Important question for you: how can you extract aluminium from bauxite ore? How can you extract alumina from bauxite ore? So three nominated methods are available for the extraction of alumina from bauxite, named Hall process, Bayer process and Serpek process. But we studied in another class, here only we studied chemical reaction, how can we produce alumina from bauxite. Then last one is, its molecular formula is Al2O3 and 2H2. And last one is gibbsite. Its molecular formula Al2O3 and thrice H2. So these are the oxide ore of aluminium where we extracted. Now we start its compound aluminum. So first compound of aluminium is nominated by alumina. Its molecular formula is Al2O3. Al2O3. Now we study it. Formation methods. Of aluminum. First method is from aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Its molecular formula is Al2SO4 का whole taken 3. Aluminium sulfate. It is heated at higher temperature. Al2SO4 का whole taken 3. It is heated at higher temperature. Then it gives alumina. The formula of alumina is Al2O3 and subtracted sulfur trioxide, SO3. So this method is the extraction method of alumina. But we also extracted alumina by the process of metallurgy. Then we use 3 methods: Bayer, Hall and Serpent, by the presence of impurity in bauxite ore. According to impurity, we select the method. But now here we studied only simple methods for the extraction of alumina. But you know that last one step are similar in whole 3 methods. Because we extracted alumina from aluminium hydroxide. So now we take second method for the formation of alumina. This method is nominated by aluminium trichloride from aluminium trichloride. Its formula is AlCl3. This reaction is completed in 2 steps. In first step, aluminium trichloride AlCl3. It is in the monomeric form of aluminium chloride, and its dimer formula is Al2Cl6. So it reacts with ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Then hydroxide react with aluminium to form aluminium hydroxide. AlOH का whole taken 3 according to their valency, because Al3 plus cationic form and OH single minus anionic form, and subtracted NH4Cl. So plus NH4Cl, because 3 chlorine atoms are available. So we use 3 for balancing of this equation. Now second step, when aluminium hydroxide is heated at higher temperature, AlOH whole taken 3 is heated at higher temperature. Then it gives alumina Al2O3 and subtracted water molecule H2O. For balancing we used 2 digit and 3. So these are the 2 important formation methods of alumina. And also you mark this last reaction for whole 3 methods for the extraction of alumina, because last one product is aluminium hydroxide it gives alumina in the effect of temperature. Now we discuss the monomeric form and dimeric form of aluminium chlorides. These are also known as aluminium halides. Then we studied its next compound. The monomeric form of aluminium chloride is AlCl3 and the dimeric form is Al2Cl6. These are the halides of aluminium because halogens are symbolized by X and aluminium symbols is Al. According to their configuration, we know that aluminium 13 have 3 electrons in outermost orbital, 2 in K, 8 in L and 3 in M. And halogens have 7 electrons in their outermost orbital because in halogens fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are available. When we configure these metals, these elements, because they are non-metals who have the accepting capacity of electron, so we say that they are non-metals. Then all elements have 7 electrons in their outermost orbital. Here, aluminium make their chlorides. So configuration of chlorine for 17, Z value 2, 8 and 7, K, L and M. So last orbital have 7 electrons. Here we say that how can we make this formula? Because aluminium donate 3 electrons in outermost orbital to form their anionic ion Al3 plus, or also we say that Al3 plus unit charge, and all halogens have single unit minus charge because they are acceptor of 1 electrons. So Cl make single minus ion. Then they make the monomeric form of aluminium trichloride, and also we write it in the dimeric form. In previous class, we also explained the electronic structure and bond structure of dimeric Al2Cl6. Now in other class, we studied its next compound, unhydrated aluminium chloride. How can we produce it? How can we make it? For their chemical reactions, their uses, and a last compound name alums.